UNC in control of the national highways. Blockade supporters halt goods trucks of Assam Rifles in Senapati district. Congress spokesperson Joy Kishan says government preparing to declare UNC as an unlawful organization. MLA R.K. Anand denies joining BJP might initiate legal action against newspaper. And BJP spokesperson N. Biren says Congress has misinterpreted Himanta Bishwa's statement. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The United Naga Council UNC, which has imposed indefinite economic blockade on the national highways in Manipur, now has complete control over the Supporters of the economic blockade today halted 4 goods trucks of Assam Rifles in Senapati district. The goods trucks were in the convoy of Assam Rifles. According to a video clip received by Impact News, a convoy of Assam Rifles which was passing on National Highway 2 in Senapati district was stopped by UNC volunteers. There was a heated exchange of words between the blockade supporters and the Assam Rifle officers. Assam Rifles officers told the blockade volunteers that the goods trucks were theirs, but they did not have the proper documents. However, they said they will park the trucks at a nearby AR company and get the documents. Even when the Assam Rifles are helpless against the blockade volunteers, the question is, will the sending of more security forces on the national highway resolve the economic blockade? Let's take a look at the video clip.
I will not hurt you.
No.
I will never hurt you.
You are looking for him.
No. Yesterday, I said we will sit down together.
Sit.
Right?
I am calling you.
Kindly
tell your name.
President, yes, take.
It's
okay.
He is intimidating.
Intimidating?
Yes.
Are you want to use that language terminology?
Yes, you are intimidating him.
I said.
He was looking for him yesterday to settle the issue.
Okay, I was looking for you. I was looking for you yesterday, but you took away now.
Now these polite vehicles are from Assam Rifle. I am convoy commander, Assam Rifle. These 3 vehicles are from Assam Rifle. But right now, they are not having proper documents. So I am cooperating with you. These vehicles will remain at this place only. Not this place, not exactly this place. This place means in AOR of this company commander. He is company commander 34 AR. And these vehicles will be under his
if you want to take it by using force, fine.
No, not force. Not we are using not force.
No.
Mr. Satsang,
I will not politicalize this. I will never.
Assam Rifle,
forces,
not politicizing. If you are speaking,
fine. Take it away.
Speak to me.
Take it.
I am
using
speaking
force.
point wise to you. Just Mr. Satsang, speak to me. Speak to me. I am convoy commander. I am telling these 3 vehicles are from Assam Rifle. I am just listen to me. Just listen to me.
Excuse me. Gentlemen,
if you are speaking to me,
excuse me, take it by using force. Fine.
No, I am not taking. That's why I am cooperating with you. This vehicle will remain with the company commander. He will be the in charge because this vehicle are from Assam Rifle. Listen, this vehicle are from the Assam Rifle. But right now they are not having proper documents.
We are not taking this vehicle to keep in our custody. No.
That's why, man.
Listen, I will not let my boys sleep at road. Okay?
That's why we are requesting.
Excuse me. Don't give condition. If you want to take it, take it.
I will not give it.
Take it. Yes, take it now.
Yeah, I will.
Take it.
Okay.
Take it. Take
Okay.
it. Take it.
If
you want to take it by using forces, by using arms,
you are
fine.
not listening.
No.
You are not listening.
Take it.
The Congress government is making preparations to declare the United Naga Council as an unlawful organization. MPCC spokesperson Kumukcham Joykishan today told the media persons at Congress Bhavan at BT Road that a state government took the decision to declare UNC as unlawful after considering the sufferings of the people and death of the 2 persons in firing during the indefinite economic blockade, which is more than 85 days old. He expressed the hope that the state's BJP will extend its support when the state government requests the union government to declare UNC as an unlawful organization. Joykishan also stated that the state BJP to share its opinion at the step taken by the state government. He asserted that it is not time for political parties to play political games. He urged the political parties to do whatever they can to resolve the issue. Joykishan said BJP can suspend the blockade if it works with sincerity. The Congress spokesperson said the BJP president should make his stand on the creation of new districts clear.
Kulai nongmai na singba sinarakpa asinadi UNC ase Kulai paiba organization Manipur miyam gi mathakta leiba organization ne aina ama akoi gi party Congress na lobo gi phirep ama lagle aduna hujik tangai phadaba phibam da Congress party na Manipur praja miyam bu miot minai tawriba khut thaduna ain gi wangmada mioi kya punchipi khamna lakpa asok apan nangalakpa asigidamakta United Naga Council asi ain ne yadaba Look unlawful organization haina lauthoknaba sem saba hawragani unlawful organization ne haina lauthokpinaba akoina union government da state government recommend taropada BJP nasu mapung phaba support pigane na thajai.
The first list of candidates of the Congress party is likely to be announced by the first week of February. Sources said the first ticket committee meeting was held this morning at MPCC office, BT Road. AICC General Secretary and Manipur in charge CP Joshi will arrive in Imphal to discuss the matter. Chief Minister Okrami Bobi, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam, MPCC President Ian Haukip, Vice President MLA N. Lokin, Treasurer MLA K. Ranjit and spokesperson of the MPCC attended the meeting. Congress MLA R.K. Anand today denied the news report that he is joining the BJP. Denying the news to media at his residence at Kwakai Telakam Lekai, the Nauria Pakang Lakpa MLA also spoke about the government's next step regarding the economic blockade. He reiterated that the government will never surrender to the demands of the UNC. R.K. Anand said if necessary, the government may declare UNC as an unlawful organization. He alleged that the UNC and NPO act under the instruction of the NSC and IM and their sole agenda is to disintegrate Manipur. He also maintained many Congress MLAs have been pressured to leave the party because of their stand on the integrity of Manipur. The MLA alleged that the BJP has an understanding with NSC and IM, UNC, NPO and NPF. He questioned the claim by Assam Minister to end the economic blockade immediately if the Congress government resigns. He asked if the centre is inviting a June 18-like incident after imposition of the president's rule in Manipur. R.K. Anand said the centre cannot solve the problems facing the people due to economic blockade by airlifting some petroleum products. He also questioned why the security personnel did not respond to the attacks by NSC and IM. He asked why the framework agreement between the centre and the NSC and IM has not been made public.
Will never surrender to the dictate of NSNIM. Will not surrender to the demand of this UNC. Will not surrender to the political game plan of this Naga People's Front. I quit the field of BJP, NPF, Naga People's Front, any sentence here. They are hand in glove, work the way I have seen. Mogi wings spoke the Kulai Pyrin Lotai, NSNIM, they quit the Kangi, UNC was the Kulai Pybra, trade Roka, the NSNIM, no, we company. Me hard party peace process labor peace agreement say ngasi government of India na lotho government of Manipur na lobam tok action say low no ba khoi ngasi self meeting darkar le phangmani UNC hai tai masi su yaragadi unlawful organization lawthok bi tai photo lak su yai.
MLA Anand termed news report on 11 Congress MLAs, including him, joining BJP as baseless, and the news created confusion among the people. He said he never wanted to join the BJP. He also said if necessary, legal action might be taken against the newspaper.
yamna unfounded oiba foundation leitaba ranba pauni haina khangnaraba sigma yuma ana sigma samaina paw samaina samphong wisna maramaraga party ki leadership da koi manung yoiba party ki integrity de yam chaun question to hole political koi ki character assassination to ba election gi prospects se koi damage to destroy to bani haiba wafum dani election commissioner vidya gi mai context gi law gi context iriba mayam sing se samaina pong iriba se kai legi haiba mayam ma examine tori haiba paper si matak to koi legal action lo no bagi sim sabagi tangkarus lakpi yai hai.
Congress and BJP continue to accuse each other on the economic blockade issue. The criticism flared up again after Himanta Biswa stated that BJP would end the economic blockade if Manipur government resigned for 2 days. Clarifying the statement, N. Biren said the Congress has wrongly interpreted Biswa's statement. He said Biswa meant that there will be no blockade if BJP comes to power in the state. He blamed the Congress government, which has ruled the state for numerous terms, for frequent bans and blockades. He asked how could there be peace in the state when leaders like Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam says that unification of Naga inhabited areas is not anti-national. He alleged that a sum of rupees 100 crore has been sanctioned for the construction of Kumalampak Sports Complex, and there is a proof that 75 crore rupees has been withdrawn, but there is no change in Kumalampak Sports Complex.
Nominini natraga amagi wanate governance laitre haiba BJP na lairagadi governance laigani governance lairagadi economy blockade to thoi haiba. It is not a question of 2 days or 1 day. Ngasi thoi ba wathok lahal liba economic blockade naga ka maitai ga gimrakta umkhana liba kuki ga gimarakta umkhana liba muslim gimarakta umkhana li se sugumba moi gi nga ki oiba yana basatpa Congress regime gi habak to gi tholakpani hauji deputy chief minister oiriba home gi in charge puriba Shri Gai Khangam Greater Nagaland semba Delhi ki Manipur babanda masama naga punsin bhai yaina soitor bani paduna Manipur state se ki home minister oina deputy chief minister oina purga leirakanda karamba laiwak no inga dori se sinai ngasi Manipur gi laibak praja lai hangjani.
Hyanglam Kendra Election Committee today organized a meeting of BJP candidate in Hyanglam for Dr. Yumnam Radheshyam at his residence in connection with the 11th Manipur Assembly election. BJP leaders of the constituency and party supporters attended the meeting. Acting President of Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress, Tongbram Robindro, has been appointed President of the party. All India Trinamool Congress has issued an order appointing him MPTC President. AITC observer Samrat Tapodar today told media that MPTC office at Mahabali Haukivang blamed the BJP and Congress for the economic blockade. He asserted that the party will not be weakened by Kim Gangte leaving it. He alleged that several members of the party left the party in their own interest.
Are ruling for last 15 years. They are not making any development for Manipur. And the BJP government is also, before the election, giving big dialogues, but after the election, they have not done anything for the Manipur. The economical blockage has been done by the BJP government, and the social blockage has been done by the Congress government. We are fighting against these two forces, and I am sure the people of Manipur will certainly give their mandate again in the leadership of T. Ravindra Singh this time.
National People's Party NPP Manipur in a press release said the last date for issue and receipt of application for the party ticket is extended till February 3rd. Nationalist Congress Party has reminded its intending candidates to submit their application at the earliest. The party president Soram Iboyaima, speaking to the media persons at Manipur Press Club today, said aspiring candidates of the party have been giving pressure on the party leaders to announce the list of the candidates. He also said the election manifesto of the party will be released soon. He welcomed aspiring BJP candidate from Kairao constituency, Mohammad Khan, who has joined NCP to the party.
Nationalist Congress Party asigi manifesto su thuna phongjiragani party asigi manifesto asidi da gi Imalebak Manipur asigi nungsijaraba Kunai Miam the Munta Yafanaba, party as in a Karikaramba, Monga, Torum local Kadagi Habedo, Ponga Manifesto to the Mayamna, Tangnabiva, Amadina Inaviva, Pangbigani, party as Yahu, the Mioka and Yawira, Amadi, Ati party the Junction Biraka, Lepteri. Adubu Changri Kudimak to Aquina Amamdo in a reception to Bugi, Quaki Mediagi Tonda, Loina Ponguk Jackie Drapso, Nashing my Quaking Ashiguma press conference, Pangok Jabesi, the Kairo constituency, Mire, or in a Quaki party, in a Soy Maki ticket, Peter and Aquina Kanjaba, Tamai Khan, Taram Okshaba, Mabu Yogi the first leader when I have as a president, I Sabuna, Magi, Kanosil, Nashi Loktukse, Kudung Java.
Manipur People's Party MPP has invited applications from intending candidates for the 11th Assembly elections. The last date for submission of application is February 4th. Beating the retreat was held this afternoon at First Manipur Rifles Parade Ground. A cultural dance competition was also held at the event with various cultural troupes from different districts of Manipur taking part. The governor presented shawls to the 7 village chiefs. Prizes were also distributed to winners of various categories of the Republic Day Parade.
Please get ready.
1, 2, 3.
Association B. Association B. The second. Commerce and Industries Department. Forward to receive a cash prize.
Maitei Leimarol Sinai Sang MLSS held a program called The Bliss, which provided a platform to the oppressed young women in the society to express their grievances. The program was held today at Manipur Press Club on the theme Window for the Cheer Entertainers. Project Director of Manipur AIDS Control Society, Hongyo Warsang, and Joint Director Mongdam Abhiram were among those present at the program. MLSS Chief Functionary MC Rita said the program was organized to have the women drug addicts and commercial sex worker come to the right direction. She said MLSS has given awareness program to more than 2,000 oppressed women of Imphal and Senapati district and helped around 500 women to lead a normal life. She asserted that instead of taking drive against the commercial sex workers, the government should take initiatives to help the awareness program taken by MLSS to improve their condition.
Complete abstinence that program commercial sex worker FSW FSW counseling period behavior change Yabagi Sanks and Wang. Masida government Mapung Kana Yang Sangagadi, the behavior change on Nomatamda, Luina complete Ragasu Sang.
Revolutionary People's Front in a press release clarified that Angom Arun alias Chinglin, 62, son of A. Bomcha of Wangkai Tangjum Laikai, and Kundrakpam Suresh alias Mocha, 47, son of K.H. Naran of Palace Compound, Thangabat Laikai, who were arrested by Imphal East District Police Commando on January 23rd, have no link with RPF and its armed wing, PLA. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Please visit Project Patterns, Nongmaibu, near Kushumarpa.
Yumanungi application ki mapung faba solution pir ba Durasign G6 seasonabio. Durasign asi Tata BlueScope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di Yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupna ba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidok na bagi irai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phai ba amadi chap yung ga mai kai install to ba yai. Durasign Tata BlueScope Steel.
The pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Meghalaya Governor V. Shanmuganathan has resigned days after controversy was triggered by reports in local media which accuse him of sexual misconduct. The 67-year-old governor tendered his resignation from the post last night. Chief Minister Mukul Sangma had said earlier in the day that he was waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Home Ministry to take a call. The resignation also follows a protest in Shillong in which civil society groups hit the streets on Republic Day. Earlier, nearly 100 Raj Bhavan staff had petitioned President Pranab Mukherjee, the Prime Minister, and Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, seeking their intervention to remove the governor and restore the dignity of Raj Bhavan. The employees had alleged that Shanmuganathan had seriously compromised the dignity of Raj Bhavan and made it a young ladies' club. Three more children underwent free non-operative device closure procedure successfully at Sky Hospital on October 15th and December 10th for closure of holes in the heart. The operation was sponsored by State Health Society and State Health Society under National Health Mission Rashtriya Bal Swastha Karyakram RBSK. Commissioner of Health and Family Welfare and Chairman EC State Health Society PK Singh today expressed his happiness at providing free device closure of hole in the heart of 15 children and opened heart surgery for 25 children. He appealed to parents of children below 18 years suspected of birth heart defect to contact to RBSK district team or district hospital. All Manipur Students Union today held one-day discussion on fare hike by inter-district passenger vehicles at AMSU office on DM College campus. Transporters and Drivers Council, TDC, and members of various transporter associations of 4 valley districts were present at the discussion. AMSU President S. Subhachandra said UNC's economic blockade has caused immense hardship to the people. He said hiking fares by the passenger vehicles adds another hardship. He mentioned that even though petrol pumps run out of supply, petrol and diesel are available on the roadside. He appealed to the Transporter Association not to hike their fares. The meeting decided to urge the government to make a policy for the passengers' vehicles.
Bara hikat pasina husi husi lady ba Manipur miyam na technology ba akoi awa ba sa masigi sab sab solution amadi nat ba haitare masina miyam pumba nungan ba natragana masina miyam pumba pelhan ba nat ba namar rakane da akoi sugumba economic blockade sa masina piri ba sai theng si akoi matau kramna thengnagade ge haiba akoi ge adugumba solution ama thimina ba yabagi aduguma we amada pusilikna ba honara kan da akoi ngasi emsuna sugumba one day public dialogue The
first Northeast Youth Convention was held today at B.R. Ambedkar Hall, Silchar in Kasar district of Assam. Manipuri youths from Front Assam MYFA in collaboration with Northeast Dialogue Forum and Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights organized the convention. An inter-college debating competition on Manipuri's place in Assam politics was also held. AMSU General Secretary Manjit Sarangthem, MYFA President Seram Herajit, former President of All Manipur Assam Manipuri Students Union Thokchom Haridas, Tripura Manipuri Students Youth Coordination Committee President Kabrabam Dhiren and Barak Valley Manipuri Development Committee President were among those present at the convention. One-day free and subsidized surgery camp was held today at Wahangbam Yumjau Lairenbi Community Hall. The camp was organized by Seizure Eye Care Foundation, Young Socio-Cultural Union and Wahangbam Yumjau Lairenbi Trustee Board. About 200 patients were treated at the camp by doctors of Seizure Hospital and 25 cataract cases were detected. Kanglai Park Loinasilol Apunba Maruk Klam in a press release said the 6th Laisangthem Somananda Memorial Literary Award, which is given every 2 years, will be awarded to Mayengpam Jamunas Laikanglagi Likla. The award will be presented at the 15th Foundation Day of Klam on February 9th. A poetry reading session will also be held at the event. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU has condoled the untimely demise of its founder member Nongthombam Sarat. In a press release, the former editor of Iho passed away at his residence at Kwai Brahmapur Nagamapal on January 23rd. He was 72 and is survived by his wife and a daughter. The first National Metal Casting Camp in Manipur kicked off today at Sharma Arts and Crafts House in Kongman Zone 3. Sharma Arts and Crafts House organized the camp under the aegis of Lalit Kala Academy Regional Center, Kolkata. 10 sculptures from different parts of Manipur are participating in the camp. Managing Director of Sharma Arts and Craft House, B. Banamali Sharma said the camp will provide local sculptors a platform to interact with sculptors from other states and gain more knowledge.
The workshop he has made, it's quite astonishing for me because I didn't expect.
National level gi Lalit Kala na sinba camp sing the 5-star hotel standard sing the artist sing si accommodate tawraga mafam du da gi work site ta haidi thabuk subum da gari na puraga thabuk lora kan da mu khalakwa sumaina chatne bi si adum leiri masidagi khar tongan na ekoi gi nature ga nakna na lamhang da tent sing khallaga ekoi na artist sing si punna ka ma da family ma da lemina badona yam nungai na yamna free una leiraga work to bugi si masi sida phangi mapan da leriba artist sing ga ekoi gi practice to be artist sing si gi gap si maru oina communication si yam phatti phatabai maram ani humni geographical situation ma leire adu ko gi economical condition ma leire adu ko gi artist sing sina mapan da chatlaga work to ruba natraga mirak tiluba exhibition to ruba si yam wana thui.
Now the sports news. The 5th T20 Veteran Cricket Tournament kicked off today at Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School ground. In the first league match of the tournament, Cookie Sporting Club or Lambulan won the toss and elected to bat first and made 82 runs for 9 in 20 overs. In reply, Cyclone Thangmaiban reached a target runs in just 16 overs, losing 6 wickets to win the match by 4 wickets. Cyclone Thangmaiban bowler Tiken was declared the man of the match for claiming 5 wickets. Pakhang Lakpa Sporting Association will play Chajing Cricket Club tomorrow. Nongthombam Chauba, who backed gold in the Northeast State Half Marathon organized by Sai NERC in connection with Republic Day, was felicitated at a function held at Godaun Maning Laikai Development Committee LGM-LDC at Godaun Maning Laikai Mairasang. Chauba was presented with gifts as an encouragement by LGM-LDC and Godaun Maning Laikai Mairapai Bilup. Kongman Sporting Club and CEO Singtumai Wangma K3 Laikai beat their rivals at a senior men's Manipur Hockey League. In the 8-leg match played at Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium, Kongman Sporting Club beat SUYC Uchekon 3-2. Nation netted 2 goals while Rohit scored 1 goal for the winners. In another match, CEO Singtumai Wangma K3 Laikai thrashed Maira Basikong 8-1. M. Premchand, TH Henthoiba and N. Amarjit netted 2 goals each, while G. Denku and K.S. Tennyson scored 1 goal each for the winners. 7 teams are competing in the tournament. District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer Chandal in a press release informed that selection tests for admission to National Sports Academy, Kuman Lampak, will be held shortly. Interested students from Chandal district who are between 10 to 11 years as on April 2017 and have passed class 5 can apply in the prescribed application form by February 15. In the first ground match of the first 786 Trophy 7A side Open football tournament, Furious 7 beat Kairang Tera Makong 1-0. In another match, Tasmia FC Chairing beat BRO FC 1-0, while ARC Haikru Makong beat FCT Tinungai 3-1. In a match of the 30th state level mini and the 14 boys football tournament organized by Thangmeiban Athletics Union, TBS FA Tawungkok trounced Thangmeiban 6-0. KH Loya Lakpa scored 2 goals while L Khiljit, TH Piabol, CH Gogocha and L Vias netted 1 goal each for the winners. While in the 5th leg match of the 24th state level sub-junior under 17 boys football tournament, CAYC New Chekon beat Nacha Football Club Thangmeiban 1-0. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. UNC in control of the national highways, blockade supporters halt goods trucks of Assam Rifles in Senapati district. Congress spokesperson Joy Kishan says government preparing to declare UNC as an unlawful organization. MLA RK Anand denies joining BJP, might initiate legal action against newspaper. And BJP spokesperson N. Biren says Congress has meant to present his Biswa statement.